This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the images already chosen and cropped for vertical video. This saves time. Open TikTok and tap the plus sign, then upload and switch to photos. Select your first batch of pictures in the exact order you want. Once done, confirm selection and use the checkmark to import. Make sure to choose 9, 16, or crop each image for full screen viewing, because TikTok prefers vertical aspect ratios, and that prevents black bars or awkward zooming. Now you refine timing and appearance. Tap Edit to adjust each photo's duration and drag to reorder if needed. Use transitions or the built-in pan and zoom to make movement feel deliberate. This keeps viewers engaged. Once you have rhythm, add a music track and use the waveform or beat markers to align key photo changes with strong beats. Make sure to preview at full speed. Subtle filters and consistent color grading help the slideshow read like one coherent video. Finish by picking a clear cover frame and writing a concise caption with relevant hashtags. Set privacy and duet/stitch permissions, then select Post or Save Draft. Before posting, preview the full video to confirm timing and audio sync. Choose high quality if TikTok offers it. If photos fail to upload or appear distorted, make sure images are JPG or PNG under size limits. Update the app and restart your phone. These quick fixes solve most important errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.